Pakistan's de facto ruler General Asim Munir, described by the international media as a strong man, secured an additional 5-year term and lifelong legal immunity on Wednesday after his hand-picked parliament passed a constitutional amendment expanding his authority. Under the amendment, General Munir becomes Pakistan's first Chief of Defence Force, a title that places him above the Army, Navy and Air Force and formalizes his control over all branches of the armed forces. The changes consolidate more power in a single military office than at any time in Pakistan's modern history. Lawmakers also approved provisions granting Munir broad personal immunity, shielding him from prosecution for actions taken in office. The amendment also places Pakistan's judicial system directly under the control of Mr. Munir's government. The amendment would allow General Asim Munir to crack down even more on protests in the country. He has presided over several incidents in which dozens of protesters were gunned down by his security forces. He has also jailed Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan along with his wife and thousands of his party supporters over the last 3 years since his controversial tenure began. Mr. Khan, the illegally incarcerated former Prime Minister, had fired General Munir as intelligence chief in 2019. Last week, Mr. Khan said Asim Munir was mentally unstable. 2 senior Supreme Court judges resigned in protest on Thursday in Pakistan after General Asim Munir's hand-picked parliament passed the 27th constitutional amendment, widely been described as the quote-unquote military amendment in the country. It is legislation that lawyers, jurists and rights groups say has destroyed the last remaining pillars of judicial independence in the country. Justices Athar Minallah and Mansoor Ali Shah stepped down within hours of the amendment's approval, following what they described as the state's deliberate dismantling of the judiciary and its conversion into a subordinate arm of the executive. In his resignation letter, Justice Mansoor Ali Shah declared that, quote, the 27th Amendment is a grave assault on the Constitution of Pakistan, which dismantles the Supreme Court of Pakistan, subjugates the judiciary to executive control, and strikes at the very heart of our constitutional democracy. Justice Athar Minallah echoed that alarm in a stark assessment of Pakistan's constitutional collapse. Quote, the constitution that I swore on oath to uphold and defend is no more, unquote, he wrote. Prominent members of Pakistan's legal community reacted with outrage after the resignations. Quote, not only has the Supreme Court lost 2 of its greatest jurists, but the passage of the amendment marks the judiciary's complete destruction, unquote, said lawyer Mirza Muiz Beg. Human rights advocate Rida Hussain called the development a turning point in Pakistan's democratic unraveling. Quote, today marks an incredibly dark day for Pakistan. Independent judges have resigned as the Supreme Court's constitutional jurisdiction has been abolished and the executive has captured the courts, unquote. The International Commissions of Jurists ICJ also condemned the amendment, calling it a flagrant attack on the rule of law. Quote, the changes made to the judicial system in the 27th Amendment are alarming, unquote, said ICJ Secretary General Santiago Canton. Quote, they will significantly impair the judiciary's ability to hold the executive accountable and protect the fundamental human rights of the people of Pakistan, unquote.